In this video, we're going to show you how to set cycle soak in Program 6. Start by selecting Setup, then scroll to Program, then select Type, and then scroll down to where Cycle Soak shows up with No. Change that by selecting, rotate the dial to Yes. Select that. That enables Cycle Soak for Program 6. Now go to the Program menu and select to modify runtime, and here you can see a selection of the main runtime. Here's 5 minutes, and you have options now to select the maximum runtime and then how long the soak time is. In this case, to prevent runoff, we want to only run this station for 3 minutes. Go over to soak. We want to soak this station for 10 minutes. And now you've set it. That's all there is to it.